Fun. Kasi this is our first time. Just a brief background sa banda namin. So we just formed this band not too long ago. Siguro mga 3 to 4 weeks pa lang yata kami na nagsama-sama. And yung songs na we're trying to play are from my backpack. So I wrote this song since last year, and then ako lang kasi talaga mag-isa back then, and try akong maghanap ng kasama na mag-perform with me. So luckily, I have my friends na napulot. Si Rolly on our drums. Tapos kasama niya yung katrabaho niya, si Reynold, who's playing the guitars. And then yung asawa ng pinsan ko na pinahiram sa akin ng Jorm Pilipinas. So he's also performing with Jorm Pilipinas. So hiniram namin siya to perform and play the bass for us. So ayan, kaya na po yung banda namin, and luckily nagawa naman namin yung goal namin, ma-play namin yung songs na sinulat ko.